Hi. Many times students ask this question to us as to why taking an aptitude test is so important before choosing a stream in class 11th. And the answer to this question is very simple. Like, to be successful in anything, we need to plan for it. In a similar manner, to be successful in career, we need to plan for that. Planning for a career begins with choosing the right stream or subject combination in class 11th. These subjects become the foundation of your career. They determine the eligibility criteria for courses after 12th, and your performance is also assessed on how well you are scoring in these subjects. So it becomes a very important decision. If you look at how this decision is taken, you will find out many ways, like sometimes the schools allot this stream, sometimes the parents force the students to take a particular stream, sometimes the students on their own choose some streams depending on their own limited information, like whether some subject combination offers more options, etc. These are definitely not the right ways of choosing a particular stream. The best way to choose a particular stream is to take an aptitude test. As research also in this field has suggested that to learn certain subjects, you need particular combination of aptitudes, which can be only come across to you, or you will know about your strengths only through an aptitude test. So the best way to choose a stream in class 11th and deciding what subject combination to take is to take up an aptitude test. Thank you.